Hey there, Tia, aka Everyday Monet, and this is my first video called No Ma'am, These Are Products That I Do Not Like. Okay, so let's get started. Some of these I actually included in my Should We Break Up video. I thought that'd be a series, but I don't feel like it because I change my mind a lot, and if I don't like a product, I don't want to like try to like it. So I guess I just need to, when I test it out, let you know and just say, no, not feeling it. No ma'am. The first two no ma'ams are these Duo Chromatic Illuminating Powders from NYX. I have this in the shade 03 Crushed Bloom, and also in the shade 05 Synthetica. I love how these powders look on the skin. They just don't work on me as a highlight. The Synthetica, I did try to use as a single shadow, but I just really don't like single shadows, so that was that. So you can see them. Yeah, see, this one doesn't show up that much. That's the In Bloom one, and then this is the Synthetica. I like how it looks on my skin, but as a highlight, it didn't look right. So, no ma'am, and it's going by. The other thing that's a no ma'am is this Makeup Extending Setting Spray from L'Oreal. It's the Infallible Pro Spray and Set. I don't like it. I really tried. I mean, I used quite a bit of it. I don't like it. I don't think it makes it last longer. I have oily skin, so maybe that was the issue, but didn't work for me. Another thing that didn't work for me that I really wanted to work for me is this Vintage by Jessica Lieberskind. And this is a highlighter I got like in a boxy charm. And again, the color is super awesome. It reminds me of that other one from NYX. The payoff is better. You can see it right there. It is similar to that. If you can see, it's like super powdery, and I just don't think it sits on the skin very well. I have seen these in people's favorites, and I really tried to love this one. I wanted to love this one, but I just don't. Another thing that I wanted to love, but I just don't, is this Benefit Boing Brightening Concealer. I have it in number 3. It's too thick. I mean, I really do have color correcting that I need to do under the eyes. I'm not saying it didn't color correct, but then it creased like a mo. So what is the whole point? I don't want you staring at my under eyes because they're dark, and I don't want you staring at my under eyes because they're creased. So no. The next two things that are no ma'am, and this isn't the whole, but it's just these two. These are the Too Faced Sweet Peach Creamy Peach Oil Lip Glosses in Tickle Me Peach and in Poppin' Peach. The thing that I don't like about them is they're not opaque enough, or they're not clear enough. Like, they have a weird color cast to them. They're not opaque enough to give you like a full-on coverage. But they're also not clear enough to just be like a gloss. I have two others that I love. I want to say it's like Papa Peach that I love. these two shades just didn't work for me. Another thing that didn't work for me, and I know people love these, but I don't. These are the Balm Meet Matte Huge Long-Lasting Liquid Lipsticks. I got them in like a set. I think I've decluttered most of the other ones. I just don't prefer this formula. I love the balm. I love liquid lipsticks. This formula just didn't work for me. Another no, this one I was so sad about. This is the Buxom Full On Lip Cream, and this was in Creamsicle. Ooh, it smells so good. I didn't like this, and part of the reason I don't like this is these Buxom lip glosses or whatever, they have that like plumping thing, and I have super sensitive lips, so as soon as I felt the whole like plumping, no. If I would have known that, I wouldn't have bought it. Another no ma'am, and I love Pure Cosmetics, but I did try these Pur Sponges, and I have to tell you, you can see I did try this. These are dry, but like, do you hear that? Shh. They're like rocks. lips, okay? They're so hard, and it doesn't get better when they get wet, so no ma'am. Next is the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in Light 2.75. I don't hate the concealer, it's simply too heavy. So, and I don't conceal really anywhere except for my under eyes, so unfortunately this was a no-go for me. Another no-go was the LORAC Tantalizer Baked Bronzer. I love LORAC products, but this is just super chalky. It pulls up texture on the skin. It's too shimmery to be a bronzer, but it's too dark and chalky to be a highlight, so nope. No ma'am. Another thing that was a no ma'am is these Revlon makeup brushes. Like, okay, I rotate my brushes. If you've watched anything, you know I have probably 100 and something brushes. So I don't wash them to the point of oblivion, but I do wash my brushes regularly. This one just, I love the handle. I absolutely love these like pointy handles. I like the weight of it. It's just, the bristles are crap. I hate to say that. Bristles are crap. One wash, it's scratchy as heck. No ma'am. Actually, I'm actually throwing this out because it's ridiculous. Another no ma'am is this Clinique long lasting lipstick, and this is in the shade Ginger Flower. I've definitely used it. It's been so long. Oh, it's a pretty shade, but to me, and this is gonna sound so weird, it's too creamy. I felt like it moves around on my lips too much. And if I'm going to be using a lipstick, it has to stay put a little better, or I prefer like a matte lipstick, because I just don't like it to move around. The other no ma'am is going to be this Too Faced Lip Injection Gloss in Milkshake. The thing that stinks about this is I absolutely love the color of it. It's just this sort of beigey clear. But again, the lip injections have the plumping thing, and I can't do that. So that's a no ma'am. Another no ma'am, this was in one of my awesome makeup finds, and this is the Elle concealer brush. I really wanted to like this. I like the handle, I like the weight, but it's like, look at that, so stiff. I feel like I'm like, rah, rah, rah. So no. So another no ma'am that I have that, it's weird because I actually really like this, and I think I need to research this this brand. This is called MDM Flow. I got this in like a BoxyCharm or glossy box, and this is in the shade Bossy. This is the color right here. I absolutely love the color, but and I know lipsticks don't last forever, but I mean, I've had lipsticks for like a really long time. This one just shifted. Like, it just smells like it went bad. And other than that, though, I loved the formula. I loved the color. I'm going to maybe look into this to see if I can find more, because I would suggest this, but I might just need to know that the shelf life is a little bit shorter, and I'm not quite sure why. So I'll learn more, and if you know anything about this brand or whatever, please let me know, because I really loved the lipstick. It just like went bad on me. Another awesome makeup find that I got was this Honest Beauty palettes, and this one is Falling For You makeup palette, and this has these eyeshadows and then a cream blush and then 2 cream lips, I think. Is it 2 cream lips and a cream blush? First of all, I hate cream products, so that's like half of it right there. And then these, there's like one matte color, which is super dark and very chalky. You can see it's like skipping there. I just couldn't get a full look out of it. I didn't enjoy the shadows. I don't like the cream products, so no ma'am. And last but not least is this Smashbox lipstick in Be Legendary lipstick in the shade Fig. This was like a deluxe sample size. I think I got these in one of those like Sephora bold lip, bunch of lipsticks in one thing. I mean, that's what that looks like. I just see it's like creamy, but it's really patchy. Like one swipe and you can see how you can see through like this, I had to like build it up. And I still feel like it's patchy. So it was a fail for me. That's my no ma'ams that I have for you for this video. Tell me what products you got that you were kind of just like, nah, not working, not gonna do it. I'd love to hear that. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. I'd love to have you as my little Monet. All my little Monets that are already out there, thank you for watching and supporting. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.